guys, this is my first video without any guest. I'm doing draping on myself. This is a Halloween special drape. In this video, I'm giving a desi twist for CatWoman. Hope you guys would enjoy. I'm Deepta, you are on with me, RVD Studio. Let's get draping. For the base, you need black bodysuit or black top and legging. And you also need to wear a tube top or bra on top of your bodysuit or top. To get started, you need to take the inner portion of your saree and start pleating it vertical way. Secure the pleats and tuck it in just below your belly button. Now take the edge that is closer to your body, just like I'm showing, and start tucking it neatly and tightly until it reaches your belly. Roughly start pleating the right side of the saree vertical way, just like I'm showing here. Once you pleated, make sure you have left enough length on your back, just like I'm doing here. Then secure the pleats and tuck it into your pant. Now gather the rest of the saree in thin pleats and start wrapping diagonally around your body, just like I'm showing here. Once you reach your chest, start tucking the top border from right to left side of your chest, like I'm doing here. Repeat the same for the bottom border. Then do the same for your back, starting from your left to right until the saree reaches your right side of the chest. By now, you will have long pallu just like mine. We are going to loop it tightly in between our chest. Please mirror me here. Once you tightly loop the knot, bring the rest of the pallu to your left shoulder. And then accessorize it with your preference. And there you have it, CatWoman in saree. I know this is a little complicated, but I hope you would try this and have fun during Halloween. If you like the look, please like and share. If you loved the look, subs to the channel would be amazing. If you recreated the look, I would love to see them. Please tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, see ya!